Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Choosing your topic is the first step in the research process. Be aware that selecting a good topic may not be easy. It must be narrow and focused enough to be interesting, yet broad enough to find adequate information. Research tip: pick a topic that interests you. You are going to live with this topic for weeks while you research, read, and write your assignment. Choose something that will hold your interest and that you might even be excited about. Your attitude towards your topic will come across in your writing or presentation. Brainstorming. Brainstorming is a technique you can use to help you generate ideas. Below are brainstorming exercises and resources to help you come up with research topic ideas.
The topic development process will help you to develop your thesis, which is essentially your proposed answer to your research question. You will then be ready to use the sources you found, and find more sources in order to support that thesis, or to answer your research question.
Brainstorming topic ideas. Ask yourself the following questions to help you generate topic ideas. Do you have a strong opinion on a current social or political controversy? Did you read or see a news story recently that has interested you? Do you have a personal issue, problem or interest that you would like to know more about? Is there an aspect of one of your classes that you would like to learn more about? Here are some things to consider. Make sure your topic meets the assignment requirements. Ask your professor for feedback if you are unsure. Choose a topic that is interesting to you. It may seem obvious, but this will make the research process more fun and engaging for you. Consider the scope of your topic. If your topic is too broad, it may be hard to find information that is focused and relevant. If your topic is too narrow, it may be hard to find any information at all. Here's one strategy for developing a research topic once you have a broad topic in mind. Step 1. Research. Background research will help you develop your topic and hone or change it in more appropriate ways. Knowing more about your topic's background can only help you develop a more effective topic, and therefore, research paper. Step 2. Brainstorm concepts. Once you think of a broad topic that interests you, try to brainstorm all of the words or concepts you can that might be related to that topic, and write them down. For example, if your topic is polar bears, you might think of the following words and topics in association: ice, cubs, pollution, hunting, diet, climate change, and environmental icon. Step 3. Develop a research question. Once you have come up with a broad topic and done some background research, you may want to develop a research question, or a question you're going to answer in your paper by doing more in-depth research. What's your general approach to the topic? Think about some general approaches that may help you further develop your topic. Use a historical angle by focusing on a particular time period, a geographical angle, focusing on a particular part of the world, or a sociological angle, focusing on a particular group of people. Start doing some exploratory, in-depth research. As you do more in-depth research, like looking for scholarly articles, books, and other sources to include in your paper, you can and probably will modify or refine your topic based on what you find. Research is a dynamic process. Don't be afraid to discover new things and modify or refine your topic. Resources that can help you develop your topic: your instructor, course readings, class notes, Wikipedia, and Google can all be helpful in terms of getting ideas for broad topics. A research guide for a particular subject created by a subject librarian is great for helping you choose where to begin your research. These online guides will identify encyclopedias, books, databases, and other materials to help you get started with research.
Thank you for watching. I hope you can easily understand how to choose a topic for research paper. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.